Mall Road in Manali itself an attractive tourist destination for the Himachal travelers. Mall Road is renowned for its street shopping, adventure and eateries and surely has got a lot of things to keep one busy for the entire day. वैसे तो मनाली में ही घूमने के लिए बहुत सारे जगह है, सब कुछ एक दिन में कवर नहीं होगा, सो एक दिन में कौन सी जगह कवर कर सकते हैं वो मैं शेयर करने वाली हूँ. Majorly I have covered these places by walk and by auto at a very minimal cost. मॉल रोड से ही वॉकिंग में 3 destinations है. You can see our national flag. Just beside that is HPTDC Hotel Kunjam. From there, Durga Mata Temple is 2 minutes walking. The temple offers exceptional architecture and woodwork both inside and outside of the temple. If possible, take part in the evening aarti at 6 pm. It remains open till 7 pm. If you are looking for some tranquil moments from hustle of Mall Road, a short stroll through the Van Vihar Park is highly recommended. This is another popular attractions in Manali. Van Vihar is a park complete with lushness and sky-touching deodar trees. You can even hop onto a boat in the man-made lake here. One can spot variety of birds here, especially in the morning hours. There are also lot of activities one can indulge in. So people of all age groups will surely love to visit this place. यहाँ पे फोटोग्राफी बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. सामने माउंटेन भी बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है और ये पाइन ट्रीज एक अलग ही व्यू दे रहा है, तो ज़रूर आइए. यहाँ पे बोटिंग भी कर सकते हैं. वैसे 50 रुपीज़ टिकट है. This is the beautiful Byas River which flows very close to the park. It's a 1500-meter long trail, so the more inside you will go into the trail, the more beauty you could able to see. Look at the beautiful sky and the snow-capped mountain. It's breathtaking. From Durga Mata temple to Van Vihar, it's a 2-3 minutes walk, and from Van Vihar to the Buddhist temple, it's a 5 minutes walk. So let me just take you there. Situated amidst a busy road of Manali, this temple has got a soothing silence to calm your nerves. This place is such a delight to eyes as it features the brilliance of a pagoda architectural style. The backdrop of this place makes it a photographer's delight. Counted among the best monasteries in Manali, this is where you can connect with your spiritual side. This is another beautiful temple entirely dedicated to Hidimba Devi. नीम की जो पत्नी थी उनका टेम्पल है ये. Situated amidst the pine-covered forest, Hidimba Temple is known for its architectural brilliance and religious value. The wooden architecture makes this temple unique. ये premises है, ये जवानी है दीवानी का shooting spot भी है. There's another temple dedicated to Bhima's son, Ghatotkaч, in the premises. Surrounded by snow-capped mountains serving as the backdrop, the temple is one of the best places to visit in Manali. I would suggest you to visit during morning. मनु टेम्पल जाने के लिए ऑटो ले सकते हैं. वॉकिंग जाना है तो यू कैन यूज दिस स्टेयरकेस एंड देन गो डाउन, वॉक ऑलमोस्ट 20 मिनट्स एंड उसके बाद चढ़ाई है तो पहुंचने में 45 मिनट्स लगा मुझे. फाइनली मैं पहुंच गई मनु टेम्पल. Manali is named after the Sanatan Hindu lawgiver Manu. The pagoda-style architecture of the temple stands out amidst the deep valleys and mountain peaks that form a wallpaper backdrop. You will have to hike a lot to reach the temple, but the views and the spiritual vibes makes all your efforts completely worth it. मनाली को घूमना है ना तो आप बाई रोड जाएंगे, सीधा सीधा जाएंगे, टाइम लगेगा. बट अगर आप गूगल पापा से मत पूछो, आई सजेस्ट आप लोकल्स किसी से पूछो
तो वो आपको अच्छी तरह से गाइड करेंगे। तो अभी सियाल महादेव आने के लिए मैं ट्रैक किया है, एकदम गली गली से है होटल्स और जो लोकल्स के घर है उसको मतलब क्रॉस करते हुए फिर सीढ़ी है बहुत सारा, वो स्टेप्स लेके स्टेयरकेस अच्छा बनाया हुआ है। तो वो लेके हम लोग अभी पहुंचने वाले हैं सियाल महादेव टेम्पल। तो बीच में मुझे ये व्यू दिखा और ये एप्पल ट्री दिखा, तो इसके लिए मैं रुक गई थोड़ा। ट्रेक करते हुए हम लोग आए हैं और दिस इज द व्यू, इतना अच्छा लग रहा है।
Siali Mahadev temple is an ancient Shiva temple and is very famous here and a must visit during your Manali trip. Siali Mahadev temple is one of the oldest temple in Manali. The rich brown color of the wooden structure and the flourishing natural vegetation with mesmerizing streams in the background is a captivating sight. The tranquil environment maintained around the temple premises amidst mountain peaks, tall pine trees, calm troubled souls in an instant. The attraction of the temple is architecture, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. The alternative layers of wood and cement work and the wood carvings will steal your heart for sure. Mall Road, often acknowledged as the heart of Manali. You can go for a night stroll along the Mall Road if you are in Manali and find it difficult to visit the Mall Road in the daytime. You may take a stroll in night. After a tiring stroll, I would suggest you to grab a sumptuous local meal. Apart from being a renowned shopper's paradise, Mall Road is equally well known for the eateries and cafes. So eat your heart out at the restaurants and cafes on the Mall Road. To get a detailed review, please refer my Manali food blog. Thanks for watching. Take care.